I'm going to show you how my hair went from this to this. It's a classic men's haircut, totally timeless, with loads of volume and texture. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this video, my haircut and style. Now, you guys know my hair has changed really through the time I've been on YouTube. We used to have it super short with a skin fade, huge quiff, but I've gone a little bit more classic these days, and I just think it works better with my more, I'm gonna say, refined style. Now, I had Alan Beek into the Man from South HQ studio for my haircut. You'll actually remember Alan from the Rory video. If you've not seen that, I'll link it in the card's top right. Now, during my consultation, we spoke about how I wanted to keep this classic, slightly longer on the sides, but I also wanted to be able to style it with volume. Now, Alan started by washing and conditioning my hair with Nioxin System 1 before taking me across the chair to start on the cut. Now, Alan starts on the top. The first cut is called the guideline. This really will dictate the length of the hair throughout the cut, starting from the front and working all the way through the back. He cuts straight across, but will keep the hair just ever so slightly longer in the front than the back of the head. After cutting the top, Alan moves onto the sides. Now, you'll notice I am all about a scissor cut. For me, this is more about precision and will keep that classic style. Then when he was happy with that shape, he got the hairdryer in, really just to see how the hair was sitting, before really starting to move on to the details of the haircut, so really keeping it neat around the ears and down onto the neck. Now, you'll see that my neckline is actually a bit of a mess. The hair grows in swirls, it goes up, it goes down. So for me, I like to have a natural neckline, really not cutting it off, but working with the hair growth pattern. And remember, you guys call the shots, so if you want more haircut videos, make sure you hit that like button right now and let me know what type of cut you'd like to see in the comments below. Moving from the clippers, which are the larger ones, onto the detailers, Alan works down to tidy the neck around my very patchy beard, and then again around the ears and the neck to finesse. Now, the secret to a great hairstyle starts from a great haircut. So with the foundations there, it was time to style. Alan starts by pre-styling using the American Crew Alternator product. Now, this can be used as a pre-styler or a finishing spray, but I like it just to start to prep the hair. Using a vent brush and a hairdryer, he starts to push the hair back, really to work in this timeless style. And from there, Alan uses his very own Ruger product. Now, this is called Essential, which really is a matte clay, working into the hair to add more definition and movement. Now, you could stop there, but I like texture, I like loads of definition, so he goes and uses one of my favorite powder products. Now, this is Kevin Murphy Powder Puff. It gives a great matte finish and really allows you to build in that volume, that definition, and piles of texture. And you could leave it there if you want a natural, movable hairstyle for all day, or you could blast it with hairspray to keep it set all day. And there you go, my haircut and hairstyle. It's a classic cut with really great contemporary styling. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. If you've not seen the other haircut videos, then we've got Matt and Rory in the cards up on the right. And if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is just top left on screen. Also, more video suggestions under that, and a link to the products pages. We've got hair products, fragrance, skincare, all right there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.